Hey guys, welcome back to the Nitro Learning Python course. Today we're going to finish off with our last data type called sets. Now, what is a set? So it's an unordered collection of distinct elements. Basically, think of an unordered set of numbers, but there are no repeats. So even if you add say the number 2 twice, it'll only appear once. Now the syntax uses curly braces and you add using add, but the way you create a set is different because as we know, a dictionary already has curly braces. So let's hop over to a Jupyter notebook and see all this stuff. Okay, so here's the way we create a set. We say my set equals set. Open close parentheses. And then let's say we want to add an element. We say my set dot add. Let's add the element 1. Now if we view my set, we get 1. Now let's say my set, let's add a few more elements. My set dot add 3. Now let's try adding 3 again. It doesn't bring an error, but if we view my set, it's just 1, 2, 3. Meanwhile, if we were to do this with a list, you know there would be 2 3s. And we viewed this with tuples also. You can have multiple items. Now, this is not very useful right now, but as we go on, they become more useful. For example, when you want to find get to the point and shorten out to like just the straight distinct elements. Let's make a list called LST and let's make it 1, 1, 2, 3. If we were going to say my set 2 is equal to set LST and we viewed my set 2, we'd only get 1, 2, 3. So as you can see, you can use this on certain things, but right now there aren't many applications to it. Just keep practicing and you'll get there. And as always, this was Nitro Learning.